Hey Sherpa users, in this video I'm quickly going to go through how to export a document that shows you all of your stats across all of your campaigns, like leads, messages sent, replies, etc. So all you have to do is come here to your campaigns list, and it's going to be this download icon here in the top right. So if we just hit download, it should only take a second to download, as it's not downloading all of the prospects in the campaign, but just the stats. And so if I now open my document that has just downloaded, I'll be able to see here all of the different categories or columns that we see here in the campaigns list, like name, market, if there's an owner that has been assigned to the campaign when the campaign was created, our progress, so this is that percentage of how far into the campaign we are. So this one we're 36% complete, this one we're 18% complete, etc. Our overall campaign health, whether or not it's archived, if it has a follow-up prospect in that campaign, it will say true here, false if there's no follow-up prospect in that campaign. How many priorities we have in that campaign, how many priority prospects we have, the total amount of prospects in each campaign, how many we've marked as follow-up, if there's been any who have been skipped, our DNC count per campaign, SMS count, SMS received, auto dead, total initial skipped, so that's skipped off the bat versus getting skipped when it's in queue. So DNCs that are already marked as DNC before import, they get skipped off the bat. So this is how many prospects are skipped at the very beginning before we even start sending. How many mobiles, landlines, other phones, how many leads we've marked in the campaign. So this is when we hit that qualified button. If we have a specific call forwarding number for this campaign, we don't have any per campaign. This is our test account. But in general, we don't have any per campaign. But if we did, if we had a campaign specific call forwarding number, it would show up here. The time zone, which is according to the market that we have selected, and then whether or not in the campaign we're skipping the prospects who have replied before or not. So these are all of our stats that are included in this export. It allows us to organize our campaigns within Excel. Some of you have hundreds of campaigns, hundreds of even active campaigns, because you just have so many different users in there. And so you can download this, you can filter based off of, you know, the priority or the leads or whatever you need to do. Use this as one of your tools for campaign organization. If you have any questions, reach out to support@leadsherpa.com.